welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and hopefully here to stay. So today is day one of Vlogmass, and even though it's supposed to be 24 videos, I decided to make an obtainable goal and do 12 videos because I'm gonna do every other day. So today I will be covering one of the top questions that I am always asked, and that is about packing supplies. So today I'm going to tell you where you can get the cheapest mailers, better than Amazon, how to do your custom mailers, how to get free packing supplies, and then throughout the video I'll throw in a couple tips and things that I learned that help me save money on shipping. So let's do it. Okay, so let's just dive into it, and the first thing I'm going to show you is free packing supplies, because I know when you're starting a business, like, it's hard. You have to pick and choose what you want. So if you want free supplies that will go straight to your house, you can get it from the post office online. So just go to USPS.com and it'll load, and from there you'll want to go to shop, and then we'll do shipping supplies. So like I said, it's free flat rate supplies. I'll go into what flat rate means here in a second, but you can go to shop now and then scroll through what they have. So this is a variety pack, and like I said, it's $0. This is a large box, priority mail that's padded. These are flat envelopes, and they will even tell you, like, they'll come in pack of 10 or a pack of 25. And so you can kind of just choose what you would like, and then like that. And then from there you'll choose your quantity, min and max, and then you'll add it to your cart. And then from there it will come to you in the mail. Now with USPS, like I said, these are flat rate, meaning when you mail packages, it's usually by the weight and the dimensions. All of these have one flat rate. So it doesn't matter if you fill it to the very rim or if there's nothing in it, it'll still be the one cost. I personally use these myself when I started my flannel business, because it was just one less thing that I had to pay for, and it was just easier to use. Okay, now let's go on to the next type of bubblers, which is what I know a lot of people like, which are colored ones or ones with stains, clouds, things like that. And of course, everyone's go-to is Amazon, which I love 2-day shipping too. But there is another site that is way cheaper, and I will tell you, it is upackandship.com. And you don't need a wholesale license to use this website, but you can get any of the quantities that you want. They have shipping boxes, poly mailers. See, this one is with puppies. This is a really popular one. I see it on Amazon and people use it a lot, which is like the marble print. So this is a 10 by 13, and a 25 pack is $30.99. $4.99 for a 50 pack. Of course, it's not the 2-day shipping, but that is a big save. Like I said, here are some Cheeto ones. These are out of stock. They have like holiday festival ones. I don't know why it's not letting me zoom. Yeah, so they have all of those, and like I said, this is way more affordable than Amazon. You get your bang for your buck. Okay, so now the next site that I'm going to show you is actually my favorite country, one of my favorite countries, and it is from the United Kingdom, so it does take longer to ship, but I am going to look them up. It's called Packaging, and it is this site right here, packagingchimp.co.uk, and so I'll let that load, and just remember it's a different country, so it will take so I'm gonna just look at the menu, and let's just look at mailing supplies, look at all that they have. Let's just do the padded bags to start with. So of course this is gonna be in euros because of where the business is based. So this green is really pretty. I really like this holographic, the black. there. So we're just looking at the length and the dimensions. And then when you put a quantity, it'll give you the price. So for 1 to 4 packs, it comes up to around 336 euros, which I don't know exactly what that is on a conversion, but I'll put it on the screen. And let's see here. So the more you, so 3 packs is 30 units, and that comes to 1008. And I'll put the conversion in here. So this is also a great resource to use. And they also have paper packaging, security tags. Okay, next let's talk about how to get your logo on a mailer. Of course, Alibaba and DHgate will probably be your cheapest bet, but I'm gonna show you one based out of the US, and of course it is called Sticker Mule. Let me see. So I love this site. They usually always have a deal. Like right now they have these buttons, get 50 for $20 and free shipping, which I think is good. And then, so once you get to the site, you can do custom mailers and you can order the samples, and here are the prices. It's always going to be more expensive to put your logo on a bag, but you invest in what matters to you. So if this is good branding and you feel like it will take you one step up, I say make the investments. They also have other options, which are like stickers. I see a lot of people put in stickers for their, like a free goodies to their clients, and like I said, they usually always have a deal for stickers, and they even have packaging tape like this, so you can use a regular box and then just put your own label on it, which I think is really a good branding idea too. If you're interested in using Sticker Mule, I do have a discount code in the comments I'll leave, and you can get money off by using. All right, so these are 2 items that you definitely need if you're going to be shipping, and you can really get what you want. But the first one is a scale for packages. I don't recommend using a kitchen scale or a weight body scale or any other kind of scale, if you know what I mean. But there are so many, and they're kind of inexpensive. They're about $25. The one that I very much recommend is this Accutech. It's only $20 and it weighs up to 50 pounds. I've had mine forever. I actually left mine in Texas, so I don't have it with me, but this is the exact one I have. And then another item that I never really see anyone talk about that I think everyone needs is this, a tape measure. Like, you will be measuring so many things, length, height, width, and so I just highly recommend these 2 products. Another item that a lot of people talk about are thermal printers. So I'm just gonna look that up for you. I actually don't use one, but these are a little bit more pricey. They're $100, $172, so on. And a thermal printer does not use ink, and they spit out the labels very fast. If you choose to invest in these, there is actually a way to get free labels, and let me just show you guys how to do that. Okay, so where I left off at is if you are choosing to use a thermal printer, there are ways to get free labels from UPS, and I've heard you can even get a free thermal printer. It's an older one, but they'll send it to you for free. So what you'll want to do is you'll call up your UPS and open a business account. It is free. When you get that done, you'll go to ups.com and log in, and at the very bottom it'll tell you where you can order free thermal labels, and they will send you as many as you order for free at no cost. So I'm not going to show you today how to do it because I can't really get into my UPS, but if you try it and it works, let me know. If it doesn't work, let me know. Back to the video. Okay, so once you get to Target, you are going to look up Avery labels. I think it's 18126. Let me try that. Yep. So I highly recommend these. They're only $4.89 for a 20 count. So for 20 labels, you're paying $4.89. And like I said, they have them everywhere, but Target seems to be the cheapest. So you'll just make this on your laptop or your phone, and then just print it on a regular printer. It doesn't have to be a thermal printer. It could literally be the cheapest printer that there is. Let's just see. Just gonna pick a light printer, and like this one's $99.99. Yeah, these are a little bit high, but you know, there are printers that are like $40, $50, and you can use those labels for that. And so the last two sites I'm gonna show you are for shipping. Instead of waiting in those USPS lines or FedEx or UPS, I highly recommend using one of these. They're pretty much the same, it's just preference. So the first one is Pirate Ship. So this is the site. I'm not going to log in because of all the private the emails I have. So once you put your info in, and then the weight, the measurements, all of that, it will give you the rates, and it'll give you the regular rates, and then it'll give you FedEx rates, UPS rates, all of those at a discounted rate, and you can choose which one works best for you. And then the other one is Shippo, which is very similar. Like I said, it's basically preference. And so go Shippo, and it's the same thing. You will literally put in your info, and they will tell you the regular price, the discount, and how much. And then from there you can print your label and then just mail them. If you do have a Shopify site, Go Shippo does connect with Shopify, so you can print straight through your website. And that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, subscribe, share this link to your business, boss, friends. No gatekeeping. We can all put each other on. And I hope you tune in for the rest of Vlogmas. Thank you for watching.